The Pacific's reigning beauty queen is defying the Samoan Prime Minister and heading for the Miss World competition. Latafale Auva'a has been told she should be going to the regional Pacific pageant instead. Pacific correspondent Barbara Drever reports.
Latafale Auva'a is heading for the Miss World stage.
I am Latafale Auva'a and I proudly represent my beautiful island nation of Samoa.
She's ditching Miss Pacific in December, where she's meant to hand over her crown to the next winner because the event clashes with Miss World. It's a chance, she says, to showcase Samoa internationally.
Another reason why I think it's great to go is to promote what we as Samoan women can do and can achieve.
But Samoa's Prime Minister disagrees, saying being on the international stage is reaching for something that can't be accomplished. The end result could only be embarrassment. His comments have caused an uproar.
I totally agree with the Prime Minister. Once you are crowned, you still have to make sacrifices and commitments to the community.
If Miss Samoa wants to take on the Miss World, she should go for it. Why hide what Miss Samoa can do?
But the Prime Minister's adamant Latafale Auva'a should go to Miss Pacific because it promotes regional tourism, culture and investment opportunities.
My priorities are to do with the development of our member countries of the pageant. So all the emotional reactions to my comments were just pure hogwash.
It would have been a blessing to have left with the blessing of the Prime Minister. But you know, I think what resonated in my heart is having the blessing and the support of the people.
The Otago University law student has played touch rugby at international level, sung in the National Youth Choir and launched her own charity. She says she's always striving to do more.
The goal is really to get to the top 20.
But the most important thing, she says, is doing Samoa proud on the world stage. Barbara Drever, One News.